As a dentist, you are sick and tired of investing your marketing dollars and seeing no return. Am I right? You're sick of trying social media and finding that no one wants to hang out or step into your practice. I'm willing to bet you're tired of marketing to this younger, hipper generation that's supposed to be reachable on social media just to find out your efforts are wasted. The problem is you have a traditional website. You're using tools that are outdated and simply don't work. How do you do that? By using these one-of-a-kind marketing videos, using whiteboard animation that get results. They speak directly to your ideal patients and cheerfully attract them into your practice. We have documented proof of these videos boosting response rates 353% and improving website visitor engagement for dentists like you to the level of 75%. That means about 4 out of 5 people watch our dental videos all the way through. Now you can be the life of the party in your community when it comes to being the go-to dentist. You'll attract more new patients and retain more of your current ones. You can do this by taking command of social media in a way that you don't waste your money and see real results. Finally, you're grabbing people's attention and sucking them into your practice. You are putting more butts in seats and having new patients walk through your door. And ultimately, you're creating a cash-generating machine set to autopilot, allowing more time with your family and friends. Life is good again.